In this unit, we're going to be looking at mood and atmosphere. Your learning intentions and outcome for this unit are to understand how mood and atmosphere is used in a drama, and you will be able to identify how mood and atmosphere can be applied in drama and how to write about it. Before we continue, it's important to figure out what is mood and atmosphere. Well, mood and atmosphere are the feelings and emotions aroused by the drama so that the audience respond to what is being seen and heard. Um, how do we actually create mood and atmosphere? Well, mood and atmosphere is created through tension, and there is a link between dramatic tension and mood and atmosphere, which we're going to go into. But what is tension? Well, tension is the driving force of a drama. It causes the audience to want to know what happens next and keeps them interested and the momentum of the drama going. There always has to be dramatic tension within a drama, and that also causes mood and atmosphere. How do we create tension? In order for tension to exist, we have to understand how to create it. Well, it can be created through a variety of different things. Acting techniques is particularly important when creating tension. For example, we have to think about things like pace, moves, timing, silence, contrast, posturing, eye contact, physical contact, and positioning of the body in order for us to be able to create tension. If we look at these two images right now, we're looking at the positioning of the bodies and how close they are and how separate they are. The use of eye contact, the contrast between the person standing in the background compared to the two people who are standing in the foreground, the physical contact, etc., etc. So tension is created through all these different things, through all these different acting techniques that you would do in order to develop a drama. Also, theatre arts. Now, theatre arts really sort of begin to bring to life a lot of dramatic tension. For example, sound, including speech, you could have sound effects and music in order to create a sort of tense atmosphere. You could use of space, setting, grouping, etc. If you look at the image just on the right next to the theatre arts, you'll notice the use of space between the actors, but also the use of space and how minimal that setting looks like right now. The use of lighting, whether it's minimal lighting or whether you'd have a spotlight on somebody or a red light to really harness this tension. Use of props and costume. If you look at the woman on the right hand side with the gun in her hand, really creating a sense of tension, and also makeup. Makeup could potentially, if you were going to put bruising on, or if you were going to have somebody with special effects, special makeup effects, that would also create tension. So all these different things lead up to how we create tension, and that is how we also develop mood and atmosphere within a drama. Without tension, mood and atmosphere would no longer exist, and that's important to remember. Now, um, you have an activity. The activity is in pairs discuss and identify a moment of tension in the extract that you're reading at the moment. So you're going to go back over the extract and have a conversation with a partner about it. Then you're going to answer the following questions. You're going to write them down, and you're also going to discuss them as a whole class afterwards. How does the tension build to this moment in the extract? How does the tension build to this moment? And also, how would you use theatre arts to enhance this tension? So, identify a moment of tension in the extract and write your answer down as how does the tension build to this moment, and how would you use theatre arts in order to enhance this tension?